Hey guys, what's going on? Simple Forex here. We are in a new location, so don't mind the audio for now. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing some quick scalping. We're just going to try getting in and out of trades as fast as we can. We're going to trade off of probability today. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can add together different confirmations and different confluences to give you a directional bias, and in turn trade that direction, get in and out of a trade, and make you easy money. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, we're here on US 30. It's about 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So first things first, I'm going to jump to the 4-minute, check the higher time frame, kind of get an idea of what's going on here. So far, it looks like we're in a nice little downtrend, but that's aside the point. We are trading on the 1 minute, so we want to look at the 1 minute, see what's going on here. So we had price break this lower high recently. It looks like it kind of failed and is now down here. Looks like we have price trying to push up, but as you can see, it's kind of weak here. Not a lot of momentum off of that. That's showing quite a bit of low momentum on the MACD, and it looks like it's not really breaking that much. We're also kind of in a downtrend here in the 1 minute, so it looks like probability is pointing towards price looking like more of a sell here. So I think I'm going to go for a sell today. We're doing just some quick sells here, so we're just going to go for a nice little sell here on US 30. Today we're trying to do like really quick trades, just being in and out of trades as fast as we can. So looks like we're going to go for a sell here. So the main thing we're doing here today is taking a look at the charts, figuring out where the bias is. Okay, looks like price is leading more to a sell here, so that way we go for that direction, and we're only looking to capture like maybe 4 or 5 pips on each trade, just in and out of trades really quickly. So yeah, like I said, on this trade, what I looked for, 4-minute time frame. Obviously, jumping to the higher time frame, you're going to get to see a more stronger bias where things will go long term. So we jump to the 4-minute here. We see that price is in a downtrend. Okay, that gives us a bias to tell us that, okay, price looks to be more stronger towards the downside. We had some continuation divergence here. Now, obviously, that applied for this push here. It doesn't apply for this push, but it just goes to show that we are more in a bearish market right now than a bull market. And then once again, dropping to the 1-minute time frame, we had a similar situation going on here. We had kind of a downtrend going on the 1 minute here. We did have slightly here for a minute some uptrend momentum come back into the market. Now obviously we had this lower high get broken. That does indicate that price is starting to turn bullish, but because we were in a downtrend overall, price was not strong enough to continue into this reversal like it was trying to do here. Price immediately came back down, and as you can see, this super impulsive move to the upside just had a nice impulsive move to the downside, basically showing that price, just as much as it was bullish to get up to here, was just as much bearish to get down to there. So this kind of price action here meant nothing for price. Now here, with a very weak push of the MACD, we have just a small little MACD push here. And even then, off of that MACD push, first candle of the MACD was here. So price literally started out here, barely got above this line, and is now already dropping down. So this just goes to show that bullish momentum is so weak and bearish momentum is much more stronger. That's why I decided to go with the sell. So we took a nice little sell here on US 30, and for these trades we just want to be in and out as fast as we can. So I'm only looking for about $500 here, and it looks like we are getting into that range. So let me see here. I'm gonna try to take it around there we go. So that's a nice easy $500 on that trade. Now could continue to actually grab another quick easy 500 off of that one. We want to see how price reacts here at this low. If we can get price to actually close below that low, then we'll probably go for another sell, because that's an even more, or actually another indication that price is bearish even more. So as you can see, it's actually having trouble trying to overtake this low here. So that's why it's a good thing that we took our profit and we wait for the next bit of price action to happen. Okay, so while we're waiting for the next trade to set up here, if you guys are looking to get into trading, you're looking for a new broker, or maybe you're looking for your first broker, I would highly recommend signing up with AAAFX. They are a regulated broker, so everything you're doing is going to be very secure. Now, they actually have a promotion going on right now for a limited time. So for every $100 that you put in and you deposit, you're going to get a 30% bonus deposit on top of that. So for example, if you put $100 USD in, you're going to get an extra $30 on top of that. That's going to help with things like floating losses. It's going to help you to leverage more while you're trading. So go ahead and take advantage of that right now. Use my link down below in the description to sign up. Get started trading today. Get started practicing, put in that money, get that deposit, get that bonus, which is going to help you in your trading. So yeah, guys, as you can see, it was a good thing that we took profit here. Exactly what we predicted. I knew that price would have a little bit of struggle trying to break through that. So we're actually not going to go for a sell until we can see price break below that. For now, though, it looks like price might try and test this high here and see if it can break above that. But until we see the next indication of a bearish movement, we're just gonna go ahead and wait for the next trade. Okay, here we go. So it took a while, but we're finally testing this support here once again. Like I said, if we see price make a close below, like it just did there we go. That is a signal for us to take a sell. So once again, I'm only looking to take a quick sell here, make around $500 or so. Get in and out. Like I said, all the other price action points to us being in a bearish market. We were literally just waiting for price to break this to give us the go ahead. And we had price break that. So we're going to go ahead here and wait for a little bit of some profit here. We don't want to kind of overextend ourselves. We want to just get in and get out. We've already made $500 today on the day. So we're just going to probably aim for another extra couple $100 here. And yeah, that's all we want to do. Okay, so we had a nice little resistance off of the top there, just showing even more that price is definitely more bearish. So we're gonna go ahead here, close our trade at 350. That's our goal there. So we make 300. That'll be nice, nice easy $800 for the day. So let's just wait. Okay, nice. Here we go. We ended up actually closing it at 300, not like we wanted. But even then, all that aside, we still made $784 on the day. And yeah. So once again, guys, if you want to make easy money doing this, here's the rules. You have to pay attention to price action. You have to try to understand the bias and the direction that price is already in. Like I said, if I'm trading the 1 minute, all I do is jump to the 4 minute. I took a look here and went, okay, 4 minute overall, we're in a downtrend. We had some continuation divergence that's telling us that price will still continue further down. Jump to the 1 minute, we are in a downtrend here. We had price trying to turn and reverse into an uptrend. However, all that momentum that pushed us up there just got taken back right there. So that for me was an easy indication that price would end up turning into a sell. So when price came back up here, I just went for a nice sell on that. And then once again, since we're also, like I said, in the sell bias, we only want to look for sells. My next trigger for me to enter into a sell was price breaking that. We had price break that. I wasn't worried at all here because I knew that price was already in this bearish market and had all these other indications telling us that sells is the direction that we want to take. So like I said, we entered off of that, took a nice easy $300 trade on that, and that's already $800 for the day. Easy money. So like I said, it's very important to know the direction that price is more likely to go in and to take sells or buys in that direction once your entry requirements have been triggered. You know, here this was a break trigger. That's why I decided to enter there. We had a break. Here this was a trigger of a pullback. We had a pullback. So that was a good spot for me to look for a sell. So like I said, it's really easy if you can add up other indications that price will go in a certain direction. If you add all those other price action moves and other confirmations and confluences up, it will help you tremendously to win more trades. Like for example, the other day I took a trade on odd JPY. Let me go on the 4 minute here and go back to it. This one was pretty simple as well. On the 1 minute here, we were in a downtrend. On the 4 minute, we were in a downtrend. Let me actually go to the 1 minute and see if we can go back here. We had price going in a downtrend on the 1 minute. We had some continuation divergence here. As you can see, from here to here, we're in a down direction. And then from here to here, we're in an up direction. That tells us that price is going to continue off of that. And once again, my trigger for my entry was price pulling back up to this line here. I took an entry off that. That was a nice, easy trade on odd JPY as well. And but yeah, $800 for the day. Can't complain. I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and I appreciate you watching.